Hi students, today we are starting next genetic disorder, that is sickle cell anemia. It is autosomal linked recessive trait. Autosome is an chromosome which is not sex chromosome. We have two type of chromosomes in our body, that is sex chromosome which are present in our reproductive organ. Other one are autosomes which is not sex chromosome which are present in rest of the body organs. It can be transmitted from parent to offspring when both the parents are carrier of the gene. This disease is controlled by a single pair of allele, that is HBA and HBS. Out of these possible genotypes, only HBS and HBS show diseased phenotype. HBA, HBS individuals are unaffected but they are carriers. This disease is caused by substitution of glutamic acid by valine at the 6th position of beta globulin chain. Mutant hemoglobin molecule undergoes polymerization under low oxygen tension, causing change in the shape of the RBC from biconcave to elongated. Now we will study how it is there. It is the RBC of sickle cell person. It is becoming biconcave. Here it is abnormal hemoglobin. It is becoming biconcave because of scarcity of oxygen inside the body, and by addition of oxygen to hemoglobin it frames oxyhemoglobin. In the sickle cell person it is not possible to make oxyhemoglobin, and it is normal blood cell. How it is, you can see normal hemoglobin. Because it becomes sickle cell, it blocks the way. We have 20 amino acids: alanine, cysteine, aspartic acid, glutamic acid, phenylalanine, glycine, histidine, isoleucine, lysine, leucine, methionine, asparagine, proline, glutamine, arginine, serine, threonine, tryptophan, tyrosine, valine. Now here you will see what happens. This is the gene, this cytosine, thymine, cytosine, and it will convert cytosine to guanine, thymine to adenine, cytosine to guanine. Then in messenger RNA same message will go, same message. Then when transformation will be there at this 6th place, it will be replaced by valine, and it is normal peptide chain of normal human being. Now here you can see that is DNA of normal person, GAG, that is CTC. Here mutation, adenine, here thymine, guanine to guanine, guanine to guanine. It is a sickle cell person. Here also thymine, and here adenine. Now in RNA, that is GAG, at the place of adenine in RNA uracil will be there, and as you can see this is the normal protein, that is glycine or glutamic acid. It will convert into valine. This is mutant protein. Now we will study this table carefully. Now this is 3-sided table. This is uracil, cytosine, adenine, guanine. Here uracil, cytosine, adenine, guanine. Now here in one block all these 4 we have to write together: uracil, cytosine, adenine, guanine. Again uracil, cytosine, adenine, guanine, uracil, cytosine, adenine, and guanine in both. Now what is to be done? How it will be framed? You can see U, U, and U. this is triple U. U, U, C, you can see U, U, A. It will be multiplied to this, then this will be multiplied to this, 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. You can understand. One more example we will take. Now U, C, U, U, C, C, U, C, A, U, C, G, like that. So different type of nucleic acids will form. Here glutamic acid is replaced by valine, and this is what this condition is known as hemophilic condition. Here it is written stop, means stop codon. No reaction will happen at that place. Stop means stop codon. No reaction will be there. And these all nucleic acids are formed as given in the list. Today, whatever I have taught you, I am sending its PDF. Thank you.